What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and manage email filters in cPanel. If you want to block spam, redirect messages, or even pipe emails to a script, this tool is exactly what you need. Let's walk through how to use it effectively. Now before we get started, please make sure that you are on an active RackNerd shared or reseller hosting plan with cPanel access. This tutorial assumes that you have a domain that is already set up and you're managing email accounts directly within cPanel. If you're not on board yet, go to RackNerd.com and grab a hosting plan that makes sense for you. From your cPanel dashboard, scroll down to the email section and click on email filters. Here you'll see a list of all your email accounts under filters by users. For example, accounts like admin@racknerdtv.com, info@racknerdtv.com, and even the default system accounts will be listed. Next to each account, you'll see an action column with a Manage Filters link. Click on Manage Filters for the specific email address you want to customize. In this case, let's go with admin@racknerdtv.com. Once inside, you'll land on the Email Filters management page for that address. You'll see an option to create filter and a section labeled current filters that shows any existing rules right now. Filters are processed in the order listed here, top down, so you have multiple filters. The first matching rule will take effect. Click on Create a New Filter to begin. Give your filter a name, something descriptive that makes it easy to remember later. Now choose your filtering conditions. For instance, if you want to flag emails where their subject contains offer, set it to subject contains offer. Then choose the action. Maybe you want to discard the message, deliver it to a folder, or forward it to another address. You can customize it to fit the exact needs that you have. Once done, click Create and your new filter will go live. You'll also notice a tool labeled Filter Test further down the page. This lets you paste a sample email message complete with headers to see how your current filter will react to it. It's a great way to troubleshoot or preview how filters will behave in real time. If you need to adjust existing filters, you can click on them directly from the current filters list. You can edit, reorder, or delete filters from right here. And that's it. You now know how to set up and manage email filters in cPanel for specific email accounts. Whether you're trying to keep spam out of your inbox or route emails where they belong or automate custom actions, email filters in cPanel gives you the control that you need. All of this is included with every RackNerd cPanel hosting plan. So if you haven't signed up yet, head over to RackNerd.com for reliable, high-performance hosting that comes packed with features like this. Like this video if it helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more hosting tips and tutorials just like this one. With that said, talk soon.